From here?
No, on the Appalachian Trail.
Oh, yeah. Really? You can see Lake Jocassee from the Appalachian Trail?
No, you'll cross right by the tip of it. You'll be in the woods. There's a river. There's a cabin. This was the old trail. So they redid it. That's a place.
What was that? A bear got them. Scared them out of their shoes.
Oh, look, we gotta go up.
We got to go up that. All right, hop
For some
two.
reason, I didn't think I remember. This is like a work boots. They give me a lot more support. Tom, David?
Yeah, we're getting there.
Wow, we can see the fog.
We're getting there, Bob.
What did you hear, Teresa? Wow, we can see the fog.
It's on the behind it. To your right. To your right.
See down there?
Shake to
Okay.
your right.
Ah, yeah.
Montreat College.
Yep. Yep. We passed by that.
Oh, it's starting to rain now.
Better put your umbrella
Where's Richard Petty Bridge? Or is it
Okay,
Richard?
right there. See to your left?
Uh-huh.
See that cars on that bridge right there?
Oh, yeah.
That's Richard Petty Bridge. Right here.
Oh, that's what.
You get turned around a little bit, you ready to get your bearing.
I know.
Okay.
Come over here. I gotta get halfway like you, David, or they're gonna say, look at Joe. I take my glasses off too.
Yeah.
One. Who are we looking at?
Teresa.
Two.
Bob. Yeah, look at me.
Three.
Because you don't want to look right into the camera.
No.
Trying to quit.
See, I wasn't ready.
That's fine. That's why I tried to train you better than
I
that.
know. Here, I was trying to do it. Oh, good job. Hey, I got that in there too. Hey, Treese.
Okay, David, stay there.
Let's see if you can hold.
Yeah, go
Hold.
all the way over the mountain.
Here, ready?
Oh!
At least it hit it.
Almost.
Because he's got the big head.
The bill hit him. I think it's going to clear up.
Teresa.
You're shaking her up a little bit.
Shaking me up.
Shaking down.
Yeah, shake it down.
Let me get him down here.
Hey, Bob!
Bob!
Hi there!
Wave!
Wave.
And Roberta was coming down the trail like that, and I was in behind a big rock.
And
Wait a minute.
was it
Wow.
water?
No, I come out
expecting
from
it,
that
right?
big rock.
Not like you don't know your
Oh, you
brother.
could have heard her for 3 miles.
I know that's what he's up for.
She screamed, oh my gosh.
Yeah, she went in first, and the spider thing, at the door. She grabbed the books out of that clock and she said, oh my God, they're infested with these hard shell spiders.
Can't
down
kill
there."
them. You can't kill them.
Yeah, can't kill them. So then she went in the bathroom.
She said she had to pee so bad though.
Yeah,
she
went in there,
stepped
sat
over
down,
'em.
And they went all over the counter, and she said, oh, God, they're infested with them. And then she turned and seen old Methuselah in the corner over there looking at her, Oh my gosh.
She
You heard her
screamed
scream. It
bloody
woke up
murder.
dead. It woke up the dead. Yeah, it was
And
bad.
Joe was asleep. I was going, Joe, it's happening. It's happening.
Yeah. Didn't have to wake me up. I mean, her screaming was.
We were at Effie's. That's when Joe
Oh,
Tiny
yeah.
was coming to Effie's one evening.
Good afternoon. Hey.
You want a picture of all y'all?
Oh,
no,
that'd be cool.
I did that bush thing and snarled like that. He took off, went right back to the car, and Paula was standing there. When you talk about scared stiff, she was scared stiff. She was just sitting there screaming, not moving. And Daniel's back in the car. That was funny.
We didn't see you up there. You must have been hiding.
She was flying.
I hope you weren't hiding.
Were you on the Oto Road? Were you on the Oto Road? Yeah.
Hey, remember that time me and Joe came when you and Debbie lived up in the trailer? And me and Joe got there and you had a gun and come out with a gun?
You was
No,
doing
yeah.
dishes.
Huh?
You was doing dishes in the house.
Yeah. I knew who it was.
Oh,
He
you
didn't
knew it
know who
was?
Right there.
He come out.
I knew who it was.
He
I
come
parked-
barreling
I
out.
parked at the end of the driveway, and David, he's looking, I turned my lights off and stuff. And I did something else to get his attention.
Because you were driving that Bronco of Daniel's.
And anyway, then he came out. He had his gun. He come out, had his gun, and I drove right straight at him like that. And he's like, "Oh, don't do that! I'll shoot! I'll shoot!
You never did shoot.
I knew who it was.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't know who it was.
No, you
Remember
didn't.
when I had that Claymore tied to that gate? That explosive thing? The guy that I knew, he was in the service, and they had little dummy Claymores, where it's actually you pulled a string and actually would go off like an M80, like that, And I had it. Every time Joe come up, he was looking for something, because I tied it to the fence, so when you opened the gate to go in there, it went off,
Yeah.
And yeah, we used to set stuff like that, scare them, set traps all the time for them. Dad and her mother both could be influences on the children.
Oh, okay.
Here's like Susan again.
Why did they start this to begin with? As a college?
Yes, there's a college and historical place for the Presbyterian history of the Presbyterian Church and all like that.
So Billy Graham and Mrs. Graham started this?
No. They had nothing to do with Montreat. Montreat was already here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Montreat. That's
But-
why her dad moved here.
Okay.
Was
okay.
because of the roots of the Presbyterian.
Oh, so Mrs. Graham's dad moved
Yes,
here.
yes.
Okay.
And
Where was Billy Graham from originally?
Charlotte.
Oh, he is from
Yeah.
originally?
Yep, he's from Charlotte, and they had a dairy farm there, and so there you go. Presbyterian historical place right here in this building right here.
When we were down here on
Oh, yeah.
deputation, they had a bad rainstorm, and there's that river that's running along 70,
So I know.
and there were garages coming down that river during this storm.
There was a limb that was hanging over the river, and it caught me, and it almost jerked me out of the thing, but it was right there by a log jam. It almost jerked me out of the canoe.
Going down the
Montreat Post
Swananoa.
Office, just to let you know, Montreat Post Office.
That's kind of a nice building for a
That
post
is
office.
nice.
It was an old residence that they turned into.
That's nice.
archival area, all the stuff like that, you know.
Yeah.
And this guy is a little bit more liberal than what was in there before. So with all that, and with the stuff being more liberal and all stuff that, Franklin didn't know for sure what they were all going to do with a lot of Mr. Graham's stuff. How are they going to portray it? How are they going to do this? Who they were going to open it up to look at it, this and that here. So he said, look, I'm going to pick it up. 6 tractor trading days worth of stuff.
Wow.
So they got it all down in Charlotte, and they're actually building that archival building. It's almost done. And that was everything that was throughout the ministry. But now what we had at our office was all Mr. Graham's personal stuff. You know, all his correspondence throughout the world with whoever.
Uh-huh.
All his original sermons that he used on the podium. You know, all his. See this guy here, Joe? See this guy here? That's the guy I keep on saying he's going to teach me about. I'm supposed to go down fishing at Lake James with him for fishing.
Walleye fishing? Well,
Yeah.
back up. I'll talk to him.
Yeah.
I'll pin him down.
That's a beautiful place right there, isn't it, Teresa?
Mark Barker, he's a doctor. He's actually my doctor.
Gorgeous.
The Barker family's been in Montreat for a number of years. But anyways, so they're building an archival, but everything in our office is actually going down to the archival building. So and they're packing it all up, putting it all in order, packing it up. They've been going through it for several years, pulling out stuff that's not really needed, you know, duplicates and stuff like that. And I have literally shredded a tractor truckload of stuff. It's unreal. Stuff, you know, copies of the sermons, you know, and not the originals, but copies, manuscript books, a lot of correspondence of his that really didn't really need to go anywhere, you know.
Oh, okay, okay.
There was a guy who came through here with a U-Haul truck. Why he didn't go around it, I don't know. He hit that, tore it, and knocked out half of it. Oh my gosh. To Montreat, that gate there, Bob, is like the Holy Bible to the Christian. You know? Oh man. Oh, people would want to lynch this guy. Literally, his life was almost in danger. You know, I mean, it was absolutely just like, are you serious? You know?
Bill used to come through there in that
Idol worship.
Yeah.
that 2-ton truck he had.
Yeah.
He'd go through that thing 25, 30 mile an hour.
I do in that 1 ton of mine.
Yeah.
Some of the guys that are newbies that ride with me, they go,
You know it's gonna fit.
Yeah. That's how this mirror got knocked off. When it got broke here, Nathan slapped that gate with that mirror.
Oh.
I said, Nathan, if you slapped that gate with that mirror, you know how close you were to taking that fender off?
Is that yours, David?
What?
That bag of cunha paste?
Low country bowl.
Yeah, I gotta give David another one.
Why? We got the one. Yeah, we got filters.
Yeah, they're above where you're at, Teresa. Yeah.
Joe's.
Does that surprise you?
Yeah.
He's so good looking.
I kind of get a picture of David.
Hell yeah.
David.
Okay.
Well, this is really poor. You don't eat it out of a pie.
I know. What do you think about that, Bob?
I've never had this.
We got to eat off the table.
Did you get,
Gosh, it smells good.
Yeah.
did you get the shrimp sauce out?
I did not.
Sorry, Dave.